In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to record and live stream to multiple platforms using just your smartphone, and it's completely free. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. We are going to be using the Prism Live Studio. Prism Live Studio is a free software used in recording and live streaming high quality videos, and they have both the laptop version and the phone version. And the phone version has both iOS and Android. Immediately you open the app, you can connect through your Facebook account, your Google account, or sign up from scratch. So I'm just going to connect to my Google account. So I'm just going to click on OK and allow the camera and the mic. So this is how the app look like. So I'm just going to click on my profile here, click on the settings. On the live settings, this is where you can be able to connect any of your social media accounts you want to live stream to. So I'm just going to connect my Facebook account and my YouTube account. So I've connected my Facebook account to the app. I'm just going to also connect the YouTube. So next, on the video settings, this is where you can be able to change the resolution for your recording. So I'm just going to leave it on 720p. On the Prism PC Connect, this is where you can also change the bitrate setting and other settings. So for the bitrate, I'm just going to move the bitrate to 1000. If you want to remove watermark from the live stream, turn on this option. And also, if you want to see the live chat on the live stream, you just also turn on this option here. So next, on this option here, this is where you can be able to change the camera you want to use, either front or back camera. And on the three dot icon, this is where you can be able to adjust your mic settings and other settings like the chroma key and the remote control connect. So if you want to go live, you just click on the ready. On the ready, it will bring out the platforms you want to live stream to. So I'm just going to click on my channels and turn on the Facebook option. Next, I'm just going to click on the multi-stream. From the multi-stream, this is where I can be able to change the topic and add the titles and other settings here. On the choose where you want to post, this is where you can be able to select a page from your profile. So I'm just going to select it. From the page option, this is where you can be able to choose the page. So I'm going to select a page here. So next, let's go to the YouTube option. From the YouTube option, this is where you can also be able to select the title and the description for your video. And under here, this is where you can also be able to select the description for the video. I'm just going to click on save. Then you have other things like schedules, privacy, and the audience you want, and the category. So I'm going to select category I want to stream to. Then also on the thumbnail option here, you can also select a thumbnail for the live stream. Immediately you are done, just click on save. If you want to go live, just click on the go live option here. Click on the go live. Then it will bring up this overheating protection settings. So you just click on the settings and click on apply. Then immediately you click on apply. Before you click on the go live button, make sure that you're on the ratio you want to live stream to. If you want to live stream to portrait, before you click on go live, make sure your phone position is on portrait. If you want to live stream to landscape, same thing too. Make sure that the phone is on landscape before you live stream. So I'm just going to click on go live. We're already live. If you want to add in other things to your live stream like text from the media, you can add in videos and other things. Then let's just click on the text. From these titles, you can add in lower thirds to your live stream. From the social, this way you can be able to add lower third for the social media platforms. Then on the captions, you can also add in titles and lower third too. Then they have different type of stickers here. So now on the screensaver, this is where you can be able to select thanks for watching, or if anything happen and you want to, like, instead of ending the live, you can be able to put be right back, coming soon, or thanks for watching. So now I'm just going to go to my browser and check the live stream. So now as you can see, we're already live on YouTube. Let's go to Facebook. This is the Facebook video, we are already live, and this is the YouTube video, we are already live. So now if you want to end your live stream, you just click on the end. Immediately you end the live stream, it will show you the option to also save your recorded video. So I'm just going to click on the save button here, and it automatically save it into my gallery. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any issue, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to be going through the comment section to reply these comments. Thank you for watching.